Good morning, everyone. Just want to share a quick little happy mail piece. I learned about this through Liz, the Paper Project channel on YouTube, and then also she got it from Angela Kerr. Angela received a mail from someone else, and then she reproduced it using her own digital kits. So this one today is made using Artymaze and Tracy Fox's Nature's Remedies digitals. And the base is very easy to put together. It's just actually using a copy paper. So this is an 8.5 by 10 5/8. I will link the instructions for both of the girls' channels. And like I said, this is just a couple of folds, and then you start decorating it using whichever digital kits that you would like to. So it's not made out of cardstock. I think it would be kind of pretty bulky if you were to, which is why the paper base. So this little clip, actually the bee was alcohol inked using caramel, and then the clip just comes off. This whole kit is, again, from Artymaze and Tracy Fox's the Nature's Remedies. The butterfly came in the kit. These two pieces of ephemera. So basically this is like an ephemera holder. And they just stick in this pocket here. And then this also flips up. So you could use it for like a little journaling book if you wanted to also. So that just sticks in there. This flips open. There's another couple of pieces over here. These were greatly reduced from the size that was in the kit. I measured out the pocket size and figured out what size I wanted to have in there. Same thing with the postcard. Actually, this is Artymaze's work, but it was not part of the kit. I think that's the only piece that is not, but at least it is Artymaze's. Some of the stamps that also came in the kit. This flips open. This ticket was also in the kit. And then on the other side, next time I make this, I won't make these pockets as deep. I didn't realize that when I made it. This was just actually a piece of the collage paper, and I just centered that and then cut it out, and then I put it on some cardstock. And then notch the corners. This is a tag with another little butterfly that I did ink up using the alcohol inks, and that is, it was silver to begin with. So I just centered this piece here. It is backed also with another piece. This is a Tracy Fox, oh, what are they called? Shoot, I forget what they're called. The little labels anyway. So the Nature's labels. And this one came in the kit. This was separate from one of her kits personally. So anyway, that's just like a little stopper for the tag. This also flips open, and that closes this way, that closes that way. This flips over, and there's another pocket on the back, another one of Tracy's labels, nature labels, and then these come out. So the tickets were part of the kit also. Here's another one of the booklets, like on the front page, and then this was also reduced in size and just an ephemera piece. So just wanted to show you. It is kind of fun. Again, this is going to go in Happy Mail, or as Happy Mail, as part of a swap that I'm involved in. That's going to go out today. And super simple to make. You just have to kind of like measure and cut and glue. And I hope you enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. I will be making another video too. I just want to show this real quick. I'm going to do another video of a trifold junk journal. Just a quick flip through here of using the same digitals, and that will be a separate one. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.